Typewriters are a really good way to work on your lock-off strength. It's also going to help you develop power from your back and your shoulders. We're going to have Jesse demonstrate how to properly do typewriters on the hangboard. He's going to get on there, he's going to hold a locked off position, and he's going to transfer his weight from side to side. Another variation of the typewriter would be to slow it way down, so you feel a much more intense burn. You can also do a much more staggered movement, where you're going to move and lock, but keep moving in that same direction.